In this video, we're replacing the license plate light on the back of this Ford F-150. Flat blade screwdriver. There's an open tab in the back of the piece that you can get to, push in and pry outwards. Now you may have to reach under the bumper and squeeze the two tabs together and push out. So once you have the light housing out, grab the back plug in the front, twist, remove the old housing, take your new housing, line up your tabs, push together and twist until it locks in. Align the two pins on the bumper. Push until you hear a click. You're done.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.